Frank Murray admits he wasn't thinking clearly when he opened his front door so early in the morning. He thought it was his girlfriend. Instead, it was two people who were trying to break into his home.
Well, what he said was like, "I need to use your phone." And I'm like, "Well, who are you?" And then out of the corner of my eye, I seen a black form, a black shadow coming over here, and I seen the face, just a black mask face.
Murray quickly tried to close the door, but the masked suspect grabbed it, trying to push it open. What happened next stopped the suspects in their tracks. Murray pushed the door so hard he fell on the floor, then braced his legs against the door to keep it shut. He grabbed the closest thing he could find, a metal horseshoe post.
I was down like this, and their hand was through there. So the whole time I'm doing this and hitting their hand.
Murray pushed so hard he broke through the drywall. The suspect finally took his hands off the door, and Murray called police. Neighbors who live on Annette Drive say they watch out for each other, and things like this just don't happen here.
Just an old neighborhood and very, very quiet. I mean, you know, to hear about something happening this close, it's shocking.
Jim Sears says because of what happened here, he'll do things differently.
I open up the garage door usually as soon as I get up in the morning, and it's up all day long since I'm retired, and but not no more.